Hello, comic book guys and gals, and welcome to Comic Mag Musings. This fella's your host, Bill Miller. All right, I'm very excited because we have a comic book haul, I guess. It was a comic book unboxing, but I've already taken them out of the box, gotten everything prepped. This is the second part. The first part were raw comics, and these are graded comics. But I still haven't looked. I don't know what they are, so you will get to see them before I do. All right, so let's get started with this one. Take it out of this bag, and boom. Oh boy, methinks we got ourselves a Vampy. All right, this is Vampirella number 65, Warren Publishing, December of 1977. Bruce Jones and Bill Dubay stories. Enrich cover, Jose Gonzalez, Luis Bermejo, and Aurelian art. Mystery contest frontispiece involves readers finishing the endings to stories in this issue. This is a CGC 8.5 with off-white to white pages. And on the back, we have an advertisement for a Vampirella special. So issue number 65 of Vampirella. All right, well that's starting off with a bang. Let's see what else we've got. All right, are you ready for this? Let's do it. Boom. Oh boy! Wow. Talk about something else. Yes, indeedy. Captain America is a series that I am collecting. Very, very excited about this one. Captain America number 117, Marvel Comics, September of 1969. Stan Lee story, Gene Colan and Joe Sinnott art, Colan, Sinnott, and Romita cover. And this is from the Puget Sound collection. Can't see what it says. Origin and first appearance of the Falcon. Red Skull appearance. Something cameo. But this is a CGC 9.2 with white pages. So I'm beyond excited about that. I'm collecting the first 20 issues of the Silver Age Captain America. Mr. Sam Wilson and Falcon. Red one. Red Wing's yelling. All right, and on the back, if you know just 10 people and you need extra loot, you can hawk Christmas cards. All right, Captain America number 117. So very, very excited about that one. All right, next one. Here we go. Boom. Oh boy. You better know that we love our PCH. This is Tomb of Terror number 2, Harvey Publications, July of 1952. Rudy Pillay, Joe Certa, Mo Marcus, and Rocco Mastroserio art. Lee Elias cover and art. This is a CGC 3.5 with white pages. White pages is an unusual interior page designation for Golden Age comics. But anytime I can get a Lee Elias cover for a good price, I'm all over it. And probably what's even better than the cover is the advertisement for the Chevalier on the back. Yes, it is a Myrtle. If you want one, order it from the Comic Magazine. All right, so issue number 2 of Tomb of Terror. Very excited about that one. All right, next one. Guess I can put these up here, huh? Make it a little bit easier. All right, and here we go. Oh boy! You better believe we've been wanting this. Been after this one for many a year. Matter of fact, this is either on my top 24 chase books for 2024 or is on last year's. I don't recall, but I'm super excited to have this. This is Worlds of Fear number 3, Fawcett Publications, March of 1952. Sheldon Moldoff cover, George Evans art, hanging panel. This is a CGC 3.5 with off-white pages. So excited about this one. Another Pre-Code horror book. And I love Witch Doctor and Mask covers as well. And on the back is an advertisement for this very comic title, Worlds of Fear. So issue number 3. Boy, oh boy. Wonderful. And next one, we've got 3 more. All right, here we go. Boom. Oh boy. Just look at that. We got ourselves an EC. This is Crime Suspense Stories number 9, EC Comics, February to March of 1952. Craig Gaines and Feldstein stories, Johnny Craig, Jack Kamen, Graham Ingalls, and Jack Davis art, Johnny Craig cover. Johnny Craig photo and biography. And this is a CGC 4.5 with off-white to white pages. So very excited about this. We have a 4.5 CBCS copy, but that one I suspect will be for sale. And on the back, you can fly a real jet plane with the JetX Javelin. So issue number 9 of Crime Suspense Stories. All right. 2 more. Get in there. And here we are. Boom. Oh boy. We got ourselves another EC. This one a sci-fi comic book. Wonderful. This is Weird Science number 8, EC Comics, July to August of 1951. Bill Gaines and Al Feldstein stories, George Roussos, Wally Wood, and Jack Kamen art, Al Feldstein cover and art. This is a CGC 6.5 with cream to off-white pages. So anytime I can add an EC comic for a good price, I'm happy to do so. And on the back, it's an all-purpose electric sprayer. You just plug it in and spray. Say it, don't spray it. All right? So issue number 8 of Weird Science. All right, we've got one more book. Let us see. What have we? All right. I'm going to give 10 seconds for any guesses. You can guess the title, guess the artist, guess the genre. 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. And here we go. Oh boy, look at that. It's another pre-code horror comic book. Fantastic. Absolutely love it. This is Witch's Tales number 21, Harvey Publications, October of 1953. Bob Powell, Howard Nostrand, Manny Stallman, and Jack Sparling art. And yet again, a Lee Elias cover. And this is a CGC 6.5 with cream to off-white pages. Again, I'm a huge mark for Lee Elias covers. I think he's absolutely fantastic, particularly his pre-code horror work. And on the back, $50 to use as you please for selling Stuart Christmas cards. Fantastic. Oh, you know what? I didn't realize this. It looks like they actually have some prizes. Now, Mrs. Musings does not like it when I list off prizes, but in this particular case, I'm just giving you my guess at what the picture is for the prize. They don't actually say what the prize is. It just shows a picture of it. So it's more of a guessing game than me listing them off. So we've got a Schwinn bicycle, what looks to be a bicycle helmet, an instant camera. Ooh, we've got what looks to be a summer dress, a set of luggage, a typewriter, and a wonderful vintage, but new at the time, radio. Just some of the prizes that you can get by selling Christmas cards. All right, so issue number 21 of Witch's Tales, and that will do it for the unboxing and the comic haul that we have for today. I hope you enjoyed seeing it, and if you did, I would encourage you to subscribe and hit that notification bell. That way you're alerted as soon as I release new videos. Thumbs up and comments are always appreciated. Remember, we're taking over the world. One comic book at a time.